UFC Fight Night Jeremy Stephens vs Drakkar Lose in a lightweight division. Talking about Jeremy Stephens, he born on May 26, 1986, American professional mixed martial artist, competing in the UFC featherweight division. As of April 2021, he is ranked 10 in the UFC featherweight ranking. Talking about her earlier career, at the age of 16, he began mixed martial arts as an amateur and began full-time training at the age of 18. He was the UGC and MCC lightweight champion. He was defeated through second round armbar submission in UFC debut against veteran Tim Thomas at UFC 71 on May 6, 2017. Talking his opponent Drakkar Lose, he won on March 9, 1988, American mixed martial artist currently competing in lightweight division of Ultimate Fighting Championship. He began his career in amateur ranking of 7 wins, 0 loss,